What's up, everybody? So here we have coordinate axis, okay? Otherwise known as a Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. So the question is this. Select all ordered pairs that are located in the third quadrant of the coordinate grid. All right, if you recall correctly, horizontally is the x-axis, right? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yada, 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 yada. Backwards, it's -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and yada, 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 yada. It goes on forever. Okay? Let's reduce the... Oh, no, it's 3. That's fine. And up, we have the y-axis. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yada, 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 yada. It goes up forever. And below, we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, yada, 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 yada. Okay? So now, the third quadrant is here. This is the first quadrant right here. This is the second quadrant over here. This is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. So positive, positive. What I mean by that is if I get this point, for example, right here, that's +5, +5. Those are the coordinates. So notice that it's positive, comma, positive. Any point given in positive, positive is going to be the first quadrant. Quadrant 2 does not have positive, positive. Instead, it has negative, positive. So imagine right here. Yeah, that looks like. So this is -5, 5. So the general structure or the general format is negative number, positive number. Anything with that would be in the second quadrant. The third quadrant, following this pattern, let's say we put this point right here. What's that one? -3, comma, -3. So the general format is negative, comma, negative. Anything with negative, negative is going to be the third quadrant. And the fourth quadrant, you guys can draw your conclusions. Let's make up a point. Let's do this right here. Boom. This one is +3, comma, -2. So the format for the fourth quadrant is positive, comma, negative. Okay. Think of it like a backwards clock. If you want to know what order it is, it goes first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. It always goes in this order. Okay, like a backwards clock. It goes counterclockwise, we call it. So first, second, third, fourth, like that. And then if you keep going, you'll go back to first. So all the ordered pairs that are in the third quadrant. Third. So our third quadrant has to be a point that's negative, negative. Which points show us negative, negative? A is positive, negative. Positive, negative would end up in the third quadrant, so it cannot be A. Right? Not A. E. What about B? -3, -1. Well, if we plot it, -3, -1, -3, -1, it's actually right here. And if you look at our format, negative, negative. So B is one of them. Good. I say one, but I don't know if there's more than one. It just says all points. So it might be one, it might be more than one. Let's keep going. C, 5, 4. 5, 4 is right here in the purple that I put on quadrant 1. That is not quadrant 3, so E. And let's try D, -4, -6. -4, -6 is actually right here. And it is negative, negative, so it is the fourth quadrant also. I mean the third quadrant, my mistake, the third quadrant. So select all ordered pairs that are located in the third quadrant. B and D are the answers.